Coding Missing Icons is a cool new game to practice creating patterns. The goal of the game is to fill the empty spaces in each pattern bar by using a code to tell the pieces where to move. The game begins with just one pattern bar to solve. In this example, the yellow triangle is missing from the pattern. To move this icon, we have to code its movements to get it to the empty space. Let's go over how to enter this code. First, click on the yellow triangle in the choice box. This will enter the icon into the first square on our line of code at the bottom. After we have told the computer which icon we want to move, we need to use the arrow keys on the left to tell the computer where we want the icon to move. The first move we always make is either up or down. This is because we need to move the piece off of the choice box before it can move left or right into an empty spot. In this example, the first move is a down arrow. Let's click the Run button to see how this code moves the piece. The red flag tells us that our code is incorrect and that we need to try again. The move we are missing and need to enter into the code is a left arrow. Click on the left arrow and then press Run to check the code. Since the code is correct this time, a green check mark appears next to it. When the boxes turn green, your progress meter moves up one mark and a new game appears. In round 1, it takes 3 plays to finish a game. As you advance in games and rounds, 2 bars will appear and more empty spaces will need to be filled. Problems that have more than one empty space will have more than one line of code. Stay focused on making one move at a time. If you make a mistake while entering your code, just click the symbol or arrow again and it will disappear. Remember that you can check your code anytime by clicking the Run button. If your code is correct, but the pattern you made is incorrect, the bar will turn red and a new problem will appear. Try to get all of your lines of code correct so that you can keep all of the bonus stickers that you start out with each game. Continue to play the games until you complete all 4 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing Coding Missing Icons. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!